Hey, it's Mopar Keith, and welcome back to my channel. So the shop I run is Knoll Automotive here in West Branch, Iowa, and we do some restoration and we also do preservation. And what I mean by preservation is that we can take an original car and preserve what is already there. It doesn't need restoration, it doesn't need repainted or sandblasted or totally taken apart. We try to preserve what is already there and return it to its original state. So we have a 1970 Challenger RT in the shop, and we're going to go through different parts of the car and show you what's original and what we have done to keep it in original form or condition. So let's go out in the shop and see what we got going on. All right, so we can do one more kind of a walk through the interior of the car here. Very nice and original. No mouse damage whatsoever. Everything is super original and clean. It's crazy how tight this headliner still is. Usually they start to come loose, start to sag or rip, but this car's been very well maintained over the years. A little sun damage on the top of the plastic panels there. Super clean. (1970) had the plastic insert down here. It was 1970 only for these retractors. So it was kind of a white plastic cup that goes around this. 1970 only. It's a six-way power seat, or not power, six-way adjustable seat. These things are awesome. Once again, here's a 1970 only for your seatbelt. 1970 only. 71 they put an ashtray in there, and 72, 3, 4 are all the same. Got the 4-screw hole wood grain on top there. Let's check out the inside here. That thing is super smooth. Look at the plating on that. It's just absolutely perfect still. So here's some NOS center cap covers, and I saved the original Tinnerman nuts off the rear drums. And this spring actually goes in the shifter. This thing needs replaced. The threads are stripped out on it, so that's one thing I have to do yet. Let's see how this closes. That closes really nice. They never close that nice. Also, still has the original lanyard holding that. You never see that. Nice. Really nice. It all matches. It's all original. Let's see what we got here. Some piece of paper. Wow. Look at that. Unused. Completely unused. Let's check out inside the trunk here, or the glove box. Alright, so here's one thing that really doesn't belong to the car. Is a different broadcast sheet. Now we'll take a look here. Alright, JS23N. So it's a 383 RT 70 Hamtramck car. In the same color though as this one. So we've got the same trim and the same paint code as this car with a white vinyl top. So this car right here looks like it would have looked just like this car, but it is not this car. This is a 440 RT, and this one, the N right there, is a 383. Interesting. Really nice condition.
And also this is kind of that Organosol right here. It's really smooth but flat. No cracks or breaks right here. However, there is a crack right there. Holy cow. Wow. Well, put that away here. So wow, disappointed to see that this is cracked, but that AC vent cover underneath looks to be totally intact. The radio does work. I played with that yesterday. $1970 only, 71. The later models had exposed screws with a different, no plastic bezel to cover the screws. Took all my might to get that one. Oh man, no build sheet.
So someone might have been in here to pull it.
Well, there might not be one.
That too.
Alright, let me pull it over this way. Alright, pull that bezel off there first. Alright, we can peel the carpet forward a little bit. Maybe not. How about let's go backwards with it and leave that there. We can peel this backwards.
Not with the bucket.
Okay, nothing there. Alright, Draven, take a shot of this over here though. We got some stuff. Alright. So what do we got here? We got, this is for the wiper. Look at that perfect anodizing on there. And get a headliner clip.
Come over here and
We got some coins. Alright.
And you got wire nuts.
Let's see, nothing up there. We got a dime. Another penny.
Windshield chrome clip.
Windshield chrome clip. Alright. Well, that's about it.
We got
Oh,
wire nut.
Got some of that. And one of these.
Screw.
And another screw.
Interior screw.
And then some Wrigley's bubblegum wrapper.
Yeah, peppermint.
Alright. So that's what we got out of the inside of the car. No build sheet though. Alright.
Alright, so that concludes another documentation video on this 70 Dodge Challenger. Please like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate you guys watching, and keep following for more information. Thank you.